Hey there, what are today's messages? What do we need to hear today? Let's pick some cards and see what pops out. Apply your gifts to life, working hard on your own course so you experience contentment. Number 5, education, expand your right brain, creativity. So colorful. Let's pull that one. I trust the process of life. There is a rhythm and flow to life, and I am part of it. Life supports me and brings to me only good and positive experiences. I trust the process of life to bring me my highest good. Oi, oi, oi. Pachamama, blessings from Great Mother. Have you been seeing dragonflies lately? Maybe do a search on what those mean. I don't know, I think this one today. Stop forecasting failure. When your history shows resilience, you've surprised yourself before and you'll do it again. Glimmers are the opposites of triggers. They're moments you feel calm and happy, and try to look for more of those. Sorry I snapped at you. My clothes felt weird. The temperature was too loud, and my hair was touching me. Oi, oi. Yes, stay weird. The difference between me and Superman is he has supervision, and I require supervision. Ha ha ha. Medium rare cookies are the best and my favorite. All right, thanks for stopping by. See you later.